Hey YouTubers, Ronald here. We're going to go over the Letscom Ring Fill Light, the desktop version. Let's go over what's included. First, you get your manual. The manual has all the instructions and what's included in the box. So you should go over it and make sure you're using it correctly and you have everything that you're supposed to get. Second, you get your warranty card. Has a extended 1-year warranty. If you register on a website, get it. It's a 2-year extension basically. So it's total 2 years warranty for defects. Turn it around. Here is our contact information if you need any help. We prefer email, but we also do phone and chats from 9 to 5. So let's see what's in the actual hardware. So first, you get 2 ball joints, and they're universal. So that means that the threads here fit into all the other threads and sockets for the whole device, including you can use this with the other version, the F531 version. That's a bigger version, and the sockets also are universal, so you can also use it for that. You got a cell phone holder. It has 2 threaded sockets on the side. Opens and closes. You got another cell phone holder, but with the flexible base. And this one opens up as well. You got your ring light. You got a tripod stand. And that's it. The ring light, you need to provide it power, but it's a USB connection, so everyone has a USB connection at this point. So that's not a big deal. It just takes 5 volts. Here, this was updated from the previous version of the ring light, so it's a little nicer looking. You got your on and off. The intensity of the light can be pushed up and down. And then you got your color temperature. So you got warm, cool, and daylight. And then you got your power off button. The little controller that comes with it, comes with a lanyard. And this allows you to control it for Android and iOS versions. I'm using it for the Android version, and with it I could start and stop a video. So I use mine to start a video, and also you could take pictures. You just have to be inside the setting for it to do that, because it's not gonna know what it's doing. So this is like an on and off button. All right, so let's put it together. For the feet, they need to be fully extended for them to be stable. So pretty sturdy there. All right. And then this will go here. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Now you could take videos or pictures on your desktop. I'm going to stop and start this video. Have a good day and come back to us for any new reviews that we make. Thank you.